Sorry, John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John. My World Upon Wheels Retired World Bike Tour. Today is Saturday, the 9th of March, 2024, and I am just now leaving incredible Sierra Blanca, where I stayed at the Amazing Americas Inn Motel and ate the fantastic The Penis Kitchen. And you see there's road construction, there's another place I can cycle, so I'm going to go slow and use this segregated lane. It is debris, filled with debris, but there's no other place for me to cycle. There's no other place for anybody to cycle. Just like this here, okay. I just have to be careful, muy cuidado. Dang it. I did have to walk a little bit to get to this segregated part. Okay. This has been a few years in the making. I remember the last time I came out here, this has just been a segregated, and there was absolutely no debris. In fact, I think the TxDOT workers for establishing a safe place, segregated pathway for cyclists. Crossing over the top of the railroad on this overpass is shaking and quaking with each passing heavy vehicle. Certainly not my vehicle. It's causing quaking and shaking. I just have to be very careful. There's a lot of debris here. I already have a slow leaker in the front. I don't want to enhance that anymore. Okay, and I am eastbound going to Van Horn. Okay, let's carefully. This. Lots of debris. Okay. And for good reason. There's cement buried there. Another vehicle's actually ran into the torn out the guardrail. So I'm actually cycling where I'd be cycling anyway, on the shoulder. This is the shoulder, eastbound shoulder interstate. The westbound shoulder is similar. I'm not come back this way, I don't think. I'm not certain of my route at this moment, except that I'm just going to get to Van Horn. Overnight at the Taylor Motel. I'll get there in a few hours. I did contact Jose, the owner, co-owner, operator of Taylor Motel in Van Horn, and he's got a place for me. I am so glad that this is daylight. Okay. There's a lot of, this is terrible. Okay, carefully. Step on something way. It's just sticking to me. Okay. Okay, I'm carrying quite a bit of it. It is so good to be doing this in daylight. Now last night, from the Border Patrol checkpoint coming in, was not nearly this congested with debris. It was just being rebuilt, the sidewalk or the curb area, and it wasn't very long. Okay, this is good. Okay. This. Okay, not too much of this left. This is good. Okay. Take a break for just a moment here. Catch my breath. Okay. I'm glad that other vehicles recognized me out here as another vehicle on the road. I'm very, very glad there's no contact because of this fantastic TxDOT cement barrier. Okay, now we're better. We've got my side door range right now, 3 instead of 4. Okay, we're gonna turn it out. Good. No flats. Stay away from the curbs. Okay, this is it. I'm going to gear it up. Level 4. This is great now. Thank you, TxDOT. A little bit of debris in that shoulder. Okay, I can see what you're doing. I appreciate you very, very much. TxDOT does a great job. Need to work on back in El Paso for sure. I saw this 85 from Union Station up to that 3-mile, 5-foot stretch there. It's just very heavy, very difficult. Okay, I'm totally. All I wanted to show was that segregated shoulder that is so great that TxDOT put in. Let's see what I have. There's also a crossing. Now maybe I'll terminate where the crossing used to be. And it is a very difficult crossing because you have to cross. If you are eastbound, you have to cross the westbound lanes. If you're heading east on business loop I-10. Let's see. So that's where I'll terminate if I see. That looks like that's where it used to be. You see those construction barrels. Here in the of the world, crossword Nevada's Las Cruces. What a great day, although I do have a headwind. And the wind did reverse last night. Just about the time I entered the Border Patrol checkpoint. That was interesting. I was live and that's why in fact I had to terminate right after the checkpoint because it was just too hazardous. I couldn't focus on But anyway, there used to be, and maybe I'm just because it is too hazardous. There used to be a crossover, and there was just a paved connector. Business 10 to I-10. They may have been eliminated because it's just dangerous. What makes this really nice though is this I'll go back down the one lane. Very dangerous. It's very good because it eliminates a lot of the danger. Because as soon as any vehicle, whether it be my FrankenBike or it could be another vehicle, 4 wheels, 18 wheels, as soon as they wander out of the lane too much, then that audio tactile marked lane will warn them, hey, okay, let's see if we have what we have here. I might keep turning very, very soon since it's off the median. It looks like there's a break in the median. A break in the, what's the sign? Tell us. Emergencies only. Okay, this is where I will terminate. Because that also gives you access to business I-10. Okay. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, retired world biker. And I'm eastbound on interstate on the very great, very safe Interstate 10, just a few clicks out east of Sierra Blanca. That's the auto attack. And that's also it. Que tengan buen día. Thanks for joining me on Life from Fuego. Adios.